Well, if you ever plan to motor west, take my way, that's the highway, that is the best. Get your kicks out on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles along the way. Get your kicks out on Route 66. Winds to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, it sure looks pretty. You should see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, darling, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Once you get hip to this kind of tip, when you take that California trip, get your kicks on Route 66. Let it roll. St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, it sure looks pretty. You should see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, darling, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Once you get hip to the time to tip, when you take the California trip.